Hey everyone, welcome to Storytime with Miss Maya. Today we're joining Kai, a chameleon with a unique talent. He can change colors to match his mood, but there's a problem. All the colors have vanished from Kai's world, leaving everything in dull shades of gray. Kai the chameleon wasn't your average reptile. Unlike his friends who stuck to just one shade of green, Kai could change his color based on his emotions. He turned bright red when excited, a calming blue when relaxed, and even a playful yellow when feeling sick. One sunny morning, Kai woke up feeling especially happy. He stretched his long body and prepared to change his color to a vibrant orange, his favorite color for a good day. But to his surprise, nothing happened. He tried turning green, then blue, then even a flashy purple, but Kai remained a dull gray. Panic climbed up Kai's body like a slow-moving snail. Without his colors, how would he express himself? How would he know his friends' moods? The world around him seemed drained of life, everything in varying shades of gray. Determined to bring back the missing colors, Kai set off on a journey. He walked past his friend, Beatrice the butterfly, who used to be a kaleidoscope of wings, now a somber gray. He greeted Sammy the snail, his usually vibrant shell now a dull stone-like color. Finally, Kai reached the wise old owl, Hootington, perched on a high branch. Hootington, his feathers usually a majestic brown, also appeared gray and gloomy. "Hootington?" Kai croaked worriedly. "What happened to all the colors?" Hootington blinked his big, golden eyes slowly. The colors, he hooted softly, had been stolen by the grumpy Grumpkin, who live beyond the Whispering Woods. Grumpkins, the name sent shivers down Kai's spine. But the thought of a world without color was worse. With newfound bravery, Kai set off for the Whispering Woods. He navigated through tangled branches and followed the sound of grumpy grumbling. Finally, he found a gloomy cave filled with creatures draped in gray cloaks. These were the Grumpkins, with scowls etched on their faces. In the center of the cave, a large Grumpkin leader held a jar filled with swirling colors. "We shall keep the world gray forever," he declared with a grumpy grumble. Kai knew he couldn't fight the Grumpkins. He had to use his wits. Taking a deep breath, he changed his color to a bright, cheerful yellow. Then he started telling them silly jokes and singing goofy songs. Slowly, a small smile crept onto the face of one Grumpkin. Then another. Soon, the entire cave was filled with laughter, the first laughter Kai had heard all day. As they laughed, the jar holding the colors began to glow. The stolen colors swirled and danced, escaping from the jar and painting the cave in vibrant hues. Even the Grumpkins' cloaks turned a cheerful blue and playful pink. The leader Grumpkin, now sporting a bright yellow smile, apologized for stealing the colors. They realized that a world without laughter was no fun at all. Kai returned from the Whispering Woods a hero. The stolen colors filled the world once again, brighter and more beautiful than ever before. Kai learned that sometimes a little bit of cheerfulness can go a long way in bringing back the colors, not just in the world, but also in the hearts of others. We learned today that a smile and a laugh can be just as colorful as any rainbow. So next time you feel down, remember a little bit of happiness can brighten your day and the world around you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more colorful adventures with Kai and his friends.